In 1889, the town of Johnstown, Pennsylvania awoke to a catastrophic flood when the South Fork Dam suddenly failed after relentless rain. A roaring wall swept through streets, carriages, and houses, washing away bridges and trapping residents on rooftops as darkness fell. Rescue crews ferried survivors by lantern light, while volunteers organized boards, blankets, and medicine to ease the desperate flood's aftermath. The disaster prompted national dam safety reforms and helped spawn the first coordinated efforts in American disaster relief. Today, historians study Johnstown to glean lessons in preparedness, response, and resilient community rebuilding after the fiercest once-in-a-century floods.